when he hears that fire alarm. Sam is always cool and calm. If you're stuck, give him a shout. We'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, 'cause he's paid to the core. Sam is the hero next door.
Right, that's the alarm downstairs, tested Norman, but you're supposed to have one on every floor.
Oh, don't worry, Fireman Sam. There's one up there.
Ah, that's excellent, Norman. And to keep it dust-free, you should use a vacuum cleaner. Oh, I think you need to clean this a bit more often, Norman.
All right, Sam.
Now, you have to make sure your parents check the batteries every week. These batteries seem a bit flat, Norman.
Oh, no, they're not. They're in my remote-controlled racing car.
Norman, you must never take batteries out of a smoke alarm to put in a toy car. Oh. There you are, Norman. In perfect working order. And remember, if you don't have a smoke alarm, call your local fire service who will fit them free of charge.